guys, so today I've got a great project for you all. I'm going to be redoing my master bathroom, and if you guys are like me, you have this problem where you have all these products that have certain uses and only really is used like once a month kind of situation. So you kind of throw them on the countertop and you end up with this cluster of just stuff all over your countertop. So I'm going to fix that today. I'm going to get some organizational pieces and I'm going to put all those things away in my cabinets. Also throw some things away because that's really important because I don't use all my products. And I'm going to add an accent wall to my bathroom because it's going to be really cool looking and I just love all the moody colors around right now. And I'm going to do some dark blue, I think, with shiplap on the wall that you enter in and see first. So I can't wait for that. I do want to know though, what are you guys into right now in the home section? Like what decor, what styles, what trends? Let me know in the comment section because I would love to know that. But I'm gonna go get dressed and get my painting clothes on so I can go to the store and start painting. So it's around 7 a.m. now. I have been working on this project since 5 a.m. probably. I've already done like 10 stairs and 2,000 steps today. I am really tired and really hungry, but I've been doing some cuts and I've got about like 4 more layers left that I want to do before the end of the day. And I want to make sure that everything looks good, so I'm going to go buy flat paint instead of satin paint for later. So as you can see, we got a lot done. We have this kind of troublesome spot up here up top where you have to cut a few weird pieces, but only 3 more layers to go on this one, and then everything's done. So it's September 12th. We just got finished doing the shiplap yesterday night. It was like 2 a.m. We're putting up the last piece of shiplap, painting everything, and then cutting the trim and pulling off the tape. That was actually really the best part of this entire process, was pulling off that tape and seeing a really good line on my shiplap on my walls with the paint. So amazing. But now I have to clean off all of our counters and get the stuff out of our shower because there's so much stuff that we brought up here to get this done that now I have to go take it back, and I have to clean everything off, get rid of some of the old stuff that I have in the cabinet so I can make room and actually be organized instead of just kind of hoarding stuff almost. So I'm going to go do that, and I'm going to go do that hopefully quickly, and then we'll get started decorating.
I can see you
Everything's clean now. I can enjoy my bathroom and really just see what I want to do with it, because right now it is completely just blank. Before it was just super dirty, and then I had other decorations. I tried to get a new shower curtain, and that's the yellow one I have up right now, but I really don't like it. So I'm gonna put up my white one again. I'm gonna decorate the countertop first though, because that's the easiest one to do, and then I'll get to the rest of the area, and then I should be done, and that's it. It took a lot of time to get started with the shiplap ball, but hopefully this time, this section of the decoration process will be easy. Just realized I have not told you guys where I've been getting all these things. I've just kind of been in a daze for the past few days because I've been really shopping for a lot of these things and kind of planning out as I go. I didn't really do a mood board in the beginning. I just kind of said, what metals do I want, and then what looks good with blue. I mean, everything. But I just kind of looked and went around, and I know stores that really have my sort of vibe. So I just went to those, and that was Target. And like Ross, Marshalls, Home Goods, those sort of stores, plus World Market. I didn't get anything from World Market, but definitely those are the places I like to go. But I'll just show you kind of all the decorations that I got and where I got them from. So I got this planter here from my old job. I see that there's an H&M sticker on the bottom, so I believe that's where it's from. And I did look it up. And I think I found it at H&M, but the leaves and the fake artificial grass, because I can't grow anything, is from IKEA. I got the dish, this little cup. I don't even know if it was for bathrooms, but I got it. This is from Target. It's the Magnolia collection, plus the little soap dish there also is from Magnolia from Target. And then the soap dispenser is from Target, but it's not Magnolia. But I do love the way that it plays together, even though it's not all the same. And guess what? I got this little tray from Target. There are actually very few places that sell copper items. So I had very little options, but I really enjoyed this little copper tray. They had several designs, but I like the look of this little modern, simple lined tray. Next we have these items in the corner. I got this candle, and I guess I only went to Target because this is from Target, the candle. It is a raw vanilla and tobacco candle. It smells really nice. I like the glass that goes with it, and also the glass that matches the amber jar I got from Target as well, from Magnolia. So I'm pretty much just really basic. I'm really basic, apparently. The only thing that I don't have here in this corner that is not from Target is this piece of wood. And it actually is a happy mistake. I had a bunch of MDF and a bunch of plywood in my garage, and I found this maple piece that Mondo had cut already into a triangle and never used. So I just picked it up and said, this looks pretty cool. So I definitely encourage you to try and find things and see how you can use them. The towels, I'm not sure where they're from. They're just gray towels. They might be just from Target. This frame here is from Target, but the picture inside, I got it on a website. I'll link it down in the description below, but it's this free website where you can download nice photos, and it's free to do so and use and print. And all this shiplap is from Lowe's. It's this MDF, or it's not MDF, but it's PVC a PVC version of shiplap. It's made for the wainscoting, I don't know how you say it, but that's how it's made for. But I didn't use it for that. I used it for shiplap. It had perfect width to it, and I really like that it's waterproof. It won't get messed up if there is water available and touching it. I also got this paint from Lowe's, and it's called Navy Seawall. Turned out amazing. I love it. When I sit on the toilet, it feels amazing. When I take a shower, it feels amazing. And when I'm in that space brushing my teeth, it feels amazing. It's just beyond what I thought it was going to be. So I am just beyond ecstatic. Let me know what you guys think though. Honest feedback in the comment section. I love it. Give it to me. I can take it. If you think it's bad, if you think it's great, just let me know too. I take good comments, bad comments, whatever you feel. So go ahead and like this video and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to subscribe to see my next video, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you can get a notification when I post my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.